Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Amazon gift card on Binance. So two things to search for. First, you need to search for Amazon gift card, and then secondly, you need to search for Binance website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the Amazon gift card first. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the gift card that I want, for any reason, as a thank you gift or as a congratulations for something, wedding, just because, back to school, whatever it might be. And I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down right here, Father's Day gift cards, and I'm gonna just select right here that e-gift card. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down and then choose the templates to send as a gift card, right? And you can choose the amount of money that you want, if you want to increase that amount of money, right? And then now you can enter your name, then the message, and the quantity. If you want to split it, you can do that, in the delivery date, for Father's Day or whatever it might be. And then after you finish, just go scroll a little bit up and then buy this gift card now. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just open up the Binance website, official website, and scroll a little bit down right here until you've seen the product section, and you're gonna see right here the multiple options, and click right here the gift card that I'm pointing. And then I'm gonna just see right here, this is my gift card section. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and add the Amazon gift card right here, okay? And then basically hit redeem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.